Grab a beer if you haven't. They're yeah. Cheers. So just a quick crocodile is brown ale and the other one is lager. So if you want to try some, just get one, but big team, right? Just refill it afterwards. So this is story how we got to this part, why we brought 120 liters of beer to Germany from all places. This is totally not fabricated story. It's 100% true. All good stories, they began in Split, Croatia, right? A developer called Ante. He's super sensible guy, super socially aware guy, and he likes to read the news. So he read German brewers raised the alarm. We threatened with bankruptcy. The other one, German beer bottle shortage. Industry warns of tense situation. Oh no, not Oktoberfest. That made Ante really, really sad. So Ante couldn't sleep one night. So Ante called me. This is 4 a.m., by the way. We need to do something. There is a giant problem with beer. Oh man, is it a problem in Croatia? No, actually, there are problems in Germany. Beer production is not present in Croatia at all. So what do we need to do? There is beer in Croatia, not in Germany. We don't know shit about beer, so let's see. Problem one, I Google how to make beer. Cheers. We found a brewery called Offenburg, actually super close to our company. So yeah, we got it covered, right? We will make some beer. The second problem. Do we really want to drive 9 hours to Offenburg? So we asked this question out loud, and somebody answered. So I asked Vele, are you sure you can drive 12 hours or 10 hours in one direction and then get back? And he said, yeah, sure. I need two things. I need, but with no sugar, so the boomer drink. And the other question was I need a laptop to play World of Warcraft. Both of those are totally reasonable requests, and I say, okay, that sounds great. So we have a plan, right? We brew beer, we drive to Offenburg, and yeah, it's really important to Ante, and I listen to Ante, okay, we're doing this, right? What do we need? We need to put all the beers in the back. Vele is driving. I'm playing music, and Ante is sleeping on the back. So we started the trip from the foggy lands of Zagreb. We went through the swamplands of Slovenia. We passed the mountain passes of Austria. Then we had a pit stop. We got here after 12 hours of driving. But there was another problem. Monday. I was the only one in the office. What the hell, guys? Come on. All in all, we brought the beer to save Oktoberfest. We got here, and there is some beer to drink. There is good brown ale, and there is great lager. So, thank you for coming here and taste the beer.